It is time to appreciate this wonderful talent. Sister, get your number, guy. Thank you. Thank you. I'm the kid. I should repeat it again. Number 2. Dear brothers, I am happy that you can see this is raw talent. This one is not AI talent. If you are in the music industry, if you sing, the greatest challenge you have is to stand the public and display. And if you identify anyone who has that talent to conquer the public to stand and sing, if you're watching him, you will just look at people and sing and calling their names. That is raw talent. You didn't have to write it down. You didn't have to come and study. You didn't have to rehearse it. Just on the stage, you see him producing music. That is the talent of this young man. Most of you don't know that reggae music goes as far as Italy, he goes to Germany, they invite him and he goes to display. That is talent. So it's time to appreciate him. We're going to hand over the microphone now to the chairman of this occasion to talk to us. To appreciate this young man, then we'll go to what?